friends, thanks for joining me for 14 days of Valentine's Day cards. I would like to ask you to be sure to check out my fellow collaborators and get some Valentine's Day card inspiration. Or honestly, this inspiration could work towards a Valentine journal or anything like that. So I thought today we might try to use this shiny paper, which is embossed. It's kind of cool, right? And then I thought we'd go ahead and try to work this heart. It's like cardboard, and it's got you can tell that it's got this, I don't even know what this is. Is this embossed? It's crinkled. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's thick, you know? So let's try to definitely use these two items. We're going to start off by gluing down this first, and then of course we'll glue this down. Ooh, and maybe we'll ink this first. We'll put some thought into that. So I hope you all are doing well today. At the time of my recording this, it's quite chilly outside, which I'm enjoying because I get to wear my cozy clothes. And you guys know every winter I talk about how much I love that. I'm in Florida, so you know I have all these cozy clothes, and then I can hardly wear them. So they go out of style before I wear them out. But that's okay. I enjoy it when I can. All right, so we got this down, and then I'm wondering, you know, should I ink around this edge? I think I should. This ink that I'm using, it's called Bright Pink, and it is by Stampabilities, and I picked it up at Hobby Lobby, though I'm sure you could find it in other places as well. I do love that it's so bright. All right, next step. Let's go ahead and get this glued on. I'll use a pretty good amount of glue just because this is bumpy, and I want to make sure we get good contact. Since we have so much pink happening here, let's go ahead and use these flamingos with one of the hearts, right? I think that's just cute and fun. I wonder if I should put the heart on first. Maybe I should do that so that I know where to put the flamingos. You guys, this is looking so cute. And I wonder, do I dare do anything else? But I'm feeling like if I could get some pink stickles right around the edge of this heart, that might be super cute. The heart is, I guess, it's bumpy, so I guess they would consider that variegated. I'm not sure, but I think so. So it's not the easiest thing to get these stickles on here, but I like it. I like the way it looks. Just a nice little added detail. What do you guys think of this cute card? Let me get it up close for you. Isn't it cute? I really like how it turned out. You know, it was like really easy to put together, but there's still plenty going on. So I really like it. I hope you do too. All right, my friends, that is it for today. I hope you'll join us tomorrow. All the collaborators will be listed in my description box. Thanks for watching. See you soon.